Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to use the ruler on iPhone. To use the ruler on an iPhone, you just need to search for the Measure app from the search bar. Then, click to open up the Measure app from your iPhone. After that, you need to move your iPhone to start using your ruler. Once you start the measurement, you will continue to move the iPhone. Now, you need to find a point from here to the other point. After that, you can use the ruler in it. You can measure all the points from various points and use the ruler in your phone. By using the Measure app, you can use the ruler in different problems. The accuracy of measurements using the Measure app may vary based on factors such as lighting conditions and the steadiness of your hand. It's not intended for precise professional measurements, but can be quite handy for everyday tasks like measuring furniture or room dimensions. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.